Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to fix Valorant not opening or launching. Now here are a few things that we can go ahead and do. Now the first thing that we need to do is we're going to be going on this one right here. It says show or hidden icons. Now just go ahead and close down Riot Vanguard by right clicking on it, and then just go ahead and exit the Vanguard. Now just go ahead and click yes. Now that will go ahead and close Vanguard for you. Then the next thing is we're going to be opening up our task manager by right clicking on this and then clicking on task manager. Now this will open up the task manager. Just go into details right here and then just go ahead and search for anything to do with Riot, like this one. Just go ahead and add task, and anything to do with the Valorant as well. Just go ahead and end the task as well. Once that's done, just go ahead and exit out of this. Now the next thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up our Valorant right here. So just go ahead and open the file and then right click on this again to open the actual file itself. So this is where I installed Valorant itself. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Valorant right here. So we're going to go up, and then we're going to go into live, and then we're going to go into shooter game binaries win64. So that's live shooter games binaries win64. Scroll all the way down until you can see Valorant win64 shipping.exe. So we're going to right click on this and then click on properties. Now we're going to go into compatibility right here, and then we're going to be clicking on this one right here. So disable full screen optimization, and then just go ahead and click on apply. Now click on OK, and then we're going to be going into services. So we're going to search for services like so. So just go ahead and click on this, and then we're going to go all the way down until we can find VGC right here. And then let's go ahead and right click on this and then properties, and then change this into automatic right here, and then click on apply and then click OK. And then the next thing that we need to look for is the systems configuration right here. So systems configuration, and then we're going to go into services. Now we're going to go all the way down until we can see VGC once again right here, and then just go ahead and make sure that this is ticked right here, and then just go ahead and click apply and then click OK, and then you can just go ahead and click on the X right there. And then the next thing that we need to do is to press Windows R right here, and then we're going to searching for local app data. So that's percentage local and then app data percentage. So percentage local app data percentage, and just go ahead and click OK. This will open up the local app data, and then we're going to scroll down and look for a Riot right here. So double click on this, and then we're going to go to Riot client and then data, and then you should be able to see the Riot games private settings, that YAML. So we're going to be renaming this, but we're just going to be changing this to .yaml.1 right there. So Riot games private settings .yaml.1, and then you want to change it, and yes, just go ahead and click yes. And the next thing that we need to do is we're going to be opening up our device manager right here, and then we're going to go into display adapters, and then this one. So this will be your graphics card. This can be anything. So it could be an NVIDIA, it could be a Radeon. So it really depends on what graphics card you have. What we're going to do is we're going to right click on this and then click update driver, and then just go ahead and search automatically, and then just continue with the actual update of the driver itself. And then the next thing that we need to do is we need to make our .exe is a high performance priority in our graphics. So to do that, all we need to do is to search for graphics settings right here. And then we're going to scroll all the way down, and then we're going to be clicking on browse right here. And then we're going to be searching for our Valorant game. So for us to know where that is, it's the same as what we did earlier on, where we went for our Valorant right here and then open up the file location. So it will be, right here itself. Then we're going to be searching for the Riot client services.exe. Well, we can actually do this. We can just copy this and then paste it right here, and then just click enter, and then it will open this up. And then just go ahead and open this right here, Riot client services, and then click add. And then I've actually added as well the Bootstrap package and the actual Valorant game. So these are same as in here, so it will be in the Valorant game, but it will be in live, and then it will be this one. And then the other one is the shooter game binaries Win64, and again it's this one right here. So these are the 3 that I have loaded up. And then what you need to do is to click on this, click on options, and then set this into high performance mode, not in power savings but in high performance. So go ahead and do that with this 3 right here. And then finally, what we need to do in terms of our Valorant game is if we go ahead and right click on it, click on properties, and then go into compatibility. Let's make sure that this run this program as admin is not ticked. So it's not like this, but it should be like this. And then just go ahead and click on apply, and then okay. And then that should fix your problem of not opening or launching the Valorant itself. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.